Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a side dish for rice and chapati using white pumpkin. It is called Boodukumbulukai in Kannada, Vellapusinukai in Tamil. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of white pumpkin, cleaned, washed, cleaned, peeled the skin and cut into pieces. I have taken around 250 grams. For this, 1 medium size onion, freshly grated coconut, quarter cup. You can take this according to your desire. Even half cup also you can take. It will enhances the taste of the dish. A piece of tamarind, ginger and pepper, just 5 to 6 corns. Red chili for tempering, green chilies for boiling and grinding. For tempering, smallly chopped onions, tempering mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, turmeric, hing, oil, required amount of water, coriander leaves for garnishing, salt. Now what we will do, take a vessel in which we have to boil all the ingredients: tamarind, jeera, 1 teaspoon of jeera and 5 to 6 pepper, 1 medium size onion, green chilies. You take according to your desire. I am going to use only 3 green chilies, and this cut pumpkin. Now to this itself we will add freshly grated coconut, and we will add required amount of salt to it. I am going to use a teaspoon of salt. Now we will add just half a cup of water. Don't add much. The pumpkin will leave its water. So I am going to add half a cup of water. If necessary we will add, or else this will be enough. Now we will boil this ingredient until the pumpkins get soft. Now I have kept it for boiling. Close the lid and we will boil this until the pumpkins will get soft. Now we will check whether it is cooked or not. It is cooked. See, it is cooked. Now what we will do, we will transfer this into a plate so that it will cool down very fast. Take this, take it out from the stove, transfer this into a plate, let it cool, then we will grind it and give a nice tempering. Don't add water more. It will become very watery, then the dish won't taste well. So this much is enough. If necessary, if the white pumpkin is fresh, it will leave its water very fast. If it is old, 1 day or 2 day old, it will leave little water. You add the water according to the pumpkin you are using. Now this mixture is thoroughly cooled. We will take it in the mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Take all the mixture in a mixture jar. Then we will grind and come. Now it is grinded. This is enough. We will go to the next procedure. Now take a pan, put it on the stove, switch on the stove, add around a 2 tablespoons of oil to the kadai. Let it get heated. Now add hing to it, around half a teaspoon of hing, then mustard seeds, now we will add chana dal, half a teaspoon, urad dal half a teaspoon. Let it get fried. Then add dry chilies, curry leaves, then we will add finely chopped onions to it and fry until the onions become soft. To this, for onions we will add a pinch of salt. Mix it thoroughly. Then cook until the onions are done. Now at this stage we will add turmeric. It's optional. If you want, you can add or you can leave it. I am adding this just to get a nice color in the gravy. Now we will cook the onions until it is done. Now the onions are done. We will transfer this grinded puree into the kadai. Now give a nice mix. This dish should not be very watery. It won't taste if it is watery. So very careful while adding the water. Mix it thoroughly, let it get a boil, then it is done. Now it is boiling, it is done. Add coriander, finely chopped coriander leaves. It will be ready to serve. Now the healthy and tasty side dish of white pumpkin is ready to serve with steaming rice, chapati. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.